Welcome to Art's review of the Pittsburgh 225-piece SAE and metric mechanics tool set. It's Harbor Freight item 62664. The kit is based on 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive items. Some of you may have noticed I've done a bunch of shorts on my channel about the Pittsburgh tools. To be exact, I've done over 189 YouTube shorts on this kit alone. They're all listed on my channel if you need to actually look at any particular item. At one day at a time, it took me 189 days to get through this. Not too exciting, but it actually educated me a lot. I found out a lot about the differences in the kit from the previous kits by looking at each item. The basic kit is the same as the previous kits that Harbor Freight sold, but there's some quality improvements noted. The quality improvements that are noted, now that you can see the whole kit, is that the 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive, metric, and SAE deep sockets now have part numbers. The previous kits didn't have part numbers on any sockets. I see that as a nice improvement. It really helps me identify each socket when I get confused. Part numbers are nice. Some of the more budget kits you see from different vendors don't have part numbers either, but that's one of the quality improvements I really see with Pittsburgh, that they're trying to bring their sets up to the next notch. Another quality improvement I've noticed is if you look at the combination wrenches, they now have the Pittsburgh name on it and the size on both sides. Previous batch of wrenches I got didn't even have the Pittsburgh name on it. They weren't too proud of it, but this is an improvement. You can actually look at the wrench on each side. It's got their name. It's nice grip and feel. Quality's there. The chrome. What an improvement! The last set I bought about a year ago didn't even, like I said, have the Pittsburgh name on it. It's kind of obvious. When you're really trying to economize on your tools when you don't even put your own name on it. But these do have name on it, which is, like I said, bringing this set up a notch. I really like that. You can already see the the 1/4 and 3/8 inch ratchets are gone mysteriously, and the 8-inch needle nose pliers out of my set. The parts unknown. I don't know where they went. Overall, the kit's a nice basic kit. Oh, one other item I missed: spark plug sockets. Spark plug sockets now have a part number. I hope Harbor Freight and Pittsburgh Tools continues with this trend and actually goes ahead and revise their tools to put part numbers on all of them. That'd be great. If you enjoyed this video, please help us out and click on the like button. If you'd like to see more hand tool reviews, please subscribe to this channel. I do different sets like Craftsman, Cobalt, and Husky. I buy them one at a time and just go through them. And that's it for today. Thanks for stopping in and reviewing this mechanics tool set with me in my garage. Thank you.